we are going to solve this simultaneous equation by elimination method. Now let's say that 3x plus 2y is equals to 10. Let this be equation 1, and x plus 2y is equals to 2. Let this be equation 2. Now what we need to do is to multiply the value of x in the first equation by the value of x in the second equation, and the value of x in the second equation by the value of x in the first equation, so that we can eliminate the values of x in both equations. Now what do I mean by that? It is quite simple. Now let's multiply 1 by 3x plus 2y is equals to 1 multiplied by 10. This will give us equation 3. Once we multiply that out, we will still get 3x plus 2y, because 1 multiplied by 3x is 3x. 1 multiplied by 2y will still give us 2y. 1 multiplied by 10 will give us 10. Let us name this equation 3 still. Now we need to multiply the second equation by the value of 3. That will be x plus 2y is equals to 3 multiplied by 2. Once we multiply this out, we'll get 3x plus 3 times 2y give us 6y. 3 multiplied by 2 will give us 6. This will be equation 4. Now once we have equation 3 and 4, we can now subtract the value of equation 4 from 3. What do I mean by this? Let's say that 3x, I'm taking equation 3 out now, plus 2y is equals to 10. We also have in equation 4 3x plus 6y is equals to 6. So say subtract, this is equation 3 and this is equation 4. Subtract equation 4 from 3. What we get is 3x minus 3x will give us 0. Now 2 minus 6y will give us minus 4y, because if you have 2 and you are owing 6, you will still be owing 4. So that is how we got minus 4y. Will now be equals to 10 minus 6 will give us 4. So what we now have is minus 4y is equals to 4. So we'll say y, to get the value of y here, we will have to divide both sides by minus 4. So we have 4 divided by minus 4. So once this goes off, we still have minus 1. So our value of y is equals to minus 1. Now we'll now take this value of y into any of the equations. Let's just say, okay, let's put the value of y into equation 3, for instance. So what we'll now get is simply 3x plus 2y is equals to 10. Now once we put, say, 3x plus 2y, now plus 2, our y is minus 1. So we put the value of y here is equals to 10. So 3x plus times minus is minus. Minus 2 is equals to 10. So what we need to do here is to say that therefore 3x will now be equals to, because when minus 2 goes to the other side it becomes plus, so now be 10 plus 2. When minus 2 crosses to the other side of the equal sign, it becomes plus. So we now have 3x is equals to 12. So x here will now be equals to, we divide both sides by 3 to eliminate, to single out x. Now we say 3x over 3 is equals to 12 over 3. Once we eliminate those values out, x in 12 will give us 4. So therefore x is equals to 4. To be sure that we are on the right track, we need to input the values of x and y into the equation. Once you input those values, you see that you get those, like if you input the value of x in equation 3 for instance, you still get 10. How do I mean? 3 into brackets 3, as it were. I said 3 into bracket 4 plus 2 into bracket minus 1 will still give us 10, because 3 times 4 will give us 12 in equation 3, and 2 times minus 1 will give us minus 2. So 12 minus 2 will still give us 10. So that means our answer is actually correct. Thank you.